Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's begin the analysis for Bank Nifty first and then we'll look at Nifty. Isme we'll also go over what I said on Monday and turns out I was a bit wrong in that. Additionally, before we start, first thing I want to remind you, please hit the like button. This helps us grow our channel and recommends our videos to new audiences, okay? Second thing is we have a workshop coming up very soon in approximately 2 weeks in Ahmedabad. So if you're interested in learning from us, especially because the new change also happening, so things are going to become more positional now because the expiries are reducing. If you want to learn how positional option sellers are managing their trades, you can sign up for the workshop. So let's actually begin now for the Bank Nifty analysis. First, let's start with the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame, what I'm seeing some sort of wick being formed here. Do you see that or no? So last week we had a good closing above the hammer's high, which is a bullish indication, but now we have gotten a bearish kind of close. Okay, so first thing है कल के लिए मेरे को so tomorrow Friday, okay, so Friday closing is very important. So tomorrow we have to keep one thing in mind. If Bank Nifty closes below 51,260, then it's going to become a bearish engulfing. Now bearish engulfing means the probability of the next week market going up is going to be very low. Okay, so very simple, 51,260 or 250 के नीचे if market closes, try to, at least I'm going to try to take a bearish trend of a bet. Okay, first thing. Second thing is assume Bank Nifty goes up even more. So then what is going to happen? We got a close above the hammer candle high and the wick is going to be pretty big. Okay, which is another good bullish indication. So we'll continue with our bullish bias in Bank Nifty, because if you want to become bearish, first thing, either tomorrow it has to give a close below 51,250, या तो क्या करना चाहिए उसको 51,000 के नीचे जाके क्लोज करना चाहिए. Then I think पूरा जो सेंटिमेंट है बेरिश हो जाएगा फिर, and then we'll try to take a bearish trade. See, daily chart also is very simple. We've gotten two resistances here, okay, and two supports here. Very strong levels both sides. So directional move if you want. So this is the support for us, 51,000 level support, and the above is resistance. This is 52,600 level. Now Bank Nifty is going sideways inside this zone. It is making big candles here, but it is going sideways. So we want a pure directional move. You're going to get it probably below 51,000 level, which is the support. The support has to break and then we can probably fall quite a lot. And the resistance also breaks. So we may probably touch the all-time high very soon. So till then, I think this sideways bias will be there in Bank Nifty. And what can we expect? We can probably only be directional outside this range. Okay, tab tak is range mein I think market is going to be stuck. Random price action is going to happen till then. See, in the Nifty weekly chart, what are we seeing? We are seeing a downfall. We are seeing a pause and again a downfall. Okay, which means next, if we get a proper bearish candle close in this week, then Nifty again can pause or either probably can continue its downturn. Okay, so the bullish scenario I will discuss on 15-minute time frame. If there's a bounce, I expect the bounce to come till 24,700. I'll show you why. When I did the weekly video on Monday, basically I said ki Nifty inside this range, don't take a directional bet. So we got a closing below this range. Okay, so this candle, which means you have to probably sell calls, buy puts, sell futures, whatever. Okay, so we prefer the selling call option. So the calls have decayed well in the last 2 days. Okay, so if there's a bounce, okay, let's discuss what will we do. Let's discuss a bullish and bearish scenario. First thing, the resistance for us, the big resistance we want to be crossed is 25,200 level, and the support which was broken was 24,700. Now this support was broken, that means it's going to turn into resistance. So let's assume today's high gets crossed. So what is most probably going to happen? Then market might try to test this level and then continue its downward journey. Okay, this may happen. Okay, so we can, if today's high is crossed tomorrow, especially after a flat opening, then we can expect market to go up, test 24,700 and face some stiff resistance from there and again try to come down. Okay, that's the first thing. Second thing is, what if it breaks today's low and continues downward? Then again we have to maintain a bearish view only, because on daily time frame this rectangle breakdown we have gotten, which means the market, which means this range was a 500 points. So we can expect a 500 point down target. Okay, now this sometimes happens, sometimes does not happen, but if today's low is crossed, then probably we are going to think, okay, now it's probably going to come to 24,000 at least. So keep today's high low in mind and try to trade the breakout of that. Now yesterday, what did Nikki tell you? She told you below the previous day low, don't just short Nifty, just seeing one red candle. Okay, wait for at least two. So because it traps you many times. So that was one good thing she told you yesterday. So keep that in mind. You are not going to probably take any bullish trades in Nifty unless minimum it goes above this resistance of 24,600. And we already told you 24,700 is also going to be a big resistance. Okay, so Nifty looks pretty bad as of now, but let's see how it looks tomorrow. Tomorrow is the weekly candle closing. It's very crucial for us. Okay, and I'm just telling you one more thing. The US elections are going to come. There are basically एक बार 2016 में there was a 6% gap down in the index, okay, which means अभी देखो एक दो हफ्ते बाकी है उसके लिए, which means the VIX probably will try to go shoot up now. The VIX is 13.9. So let's see after this video if it shoots up or not. Logically speaking, it has to shoot up. If the VIX is going up, many times what happens in the current week, the options start spiking, and I know they are not correlated, but like the options behave very differently when the VIX is rising. Rising VIX में trade करना, I think, is one of the toughest things for an option seller. So be cautious, okay? And try to take a holiday in the event week. That is probably the best thing. Cool. So that's it. I discussed my view for the video. I discussed Bank Nifty and I discussed Nifty also. Nifty may be waiting for today's high low to be crossed, and then we are trying to take a bullish or bearish view. And Bank Nifty stuck in this range of the support and resistance zone. Okay, we need Bank Nifty to go below 51,000 or above 52,300. Okay, after that we are going to take a bullish. So till then, I think let's see how the price is moving, and that's it for today. The weekly candle will close tomorrow, so let's see if that is bullish or not. If you like this video, if you learned anything from Nikita yesterday or me today, please hit the like button and encourage us, and we'll see you very soon. Bye bye.